VAG 1551 main dealer diagnostic tool, as you can see, plugged into a Mark III 1H model code VW Golf Cabriolet, a 1996 model year. So we're plugged in on this particular model. The diagnostic socket is hidden behind a little pull-out flap, which you first remove the ashtray, slide this flap back, and the plug goes in. So we're in there, ignition on, and this is a German machine, so we select function 1. Same on an English machine, just the writing would be in English. And it asks us to select the address word. For this particular one, we're going to select address word 01, which is the engine. On this one it calls it motor electronic. And up in the top corner we have the Q button, so we press the Q to select. Tester sends address word 01, please wait. Comes up with the coding there, coding 01, the part number of the control unit, we've got a 1H designation because it's a 1H model Golf, 1.8 litre, monotronic, sorry, and here we have the forward arrow in the top corner, asking us to select the function. So for this we're going to do output test mode. To test on this particular model you can test the throttle butterfly and the relays. So 03 for output test diagnostic mode, Q to confirm, and Drossel Klappensteller V60, which translates as the throttle butterfly V60 model, which we can hear that operating backwards and forwards, so we know that's all working okay. And this is on the ADZ engine, as you can see there. So that doesn't overheat, we're going to now press the forward arrow and it should go to the relay test. Hopefully you can hear that on the video. The relay clicking, so we tested the relay, we know that's all okay in the wiring. Forward arrow on, and that's the end of the test plan. Obviously on newer cars, this is a 1996 model year, on the newer cars there's a lot more in the test plans. Diesel engines you can test things like the N75 boost control valve, and EGR valves on other engines as well. A multitude of things you can test. On this one it's slightly limited because it's an older car, but there we have it. That's how you do the output test diagnostic mode. Here we 06 to end the output and select it with a Q, and there we go.